Resin pads suffer thermal fade at 300 degrees Celsius, while sintered metal survives over 500 degrees Celsius. But that heat resistance comes with a massive physical trade-off. The fundamental difference lies in the matrix material. Resin pads bind organic fibers like glass, rubber, and carbon with a heat-resistant resin, creating a softer matrix that offers instant bite at cold temperatures. Sintered pads, however, fuse metallic particles under immense pressure and heat. This creates a denser, harder material with significantly higher thermal conductivity, but it requires heat generation to reach its optimal friction coefficient. Here is the critical thermal failure point. Once the resin binder exceeds 300 degrees Celsius, it begins to gas out, causing glazing and total loss of friction. Sintered metal maintains structural integrity well past 500 degrees Celsius. This heat tolerance dictates the trade-off. Sintered pads are abrasive. They will wear your steel rotors twice as fast as resin. If you ride flat terrain, you are paying for thermal headroom you will never utilize. Finally, the bedding-in process is actually chemical deposition. We are transferring a layer of pad material to the rotor. Switching compounds prevents this adhesion layer from forming correctly, ruining braking performance. Never mix pad compounds on the same rotor without resurfacing.